The one I'm looking at. It's on sale for $450. Top loading. Very nice. I like it. Okay, we're leaving Lowe's. And now we will go find the exit somewhere. And oh, I guess that's the exit over there. So we'll exit Lowe's now. Okay, quick trip to Lowe's to buy a washer. It'll be delivered tomorrow. I don't need a dryer yet, just the washer. Nice day, a little cool and windy, but nice. Temperature in the 60s. Yeah, we're at the Lowe's, see? I'm here to buy a washer. Okay. It is November 8th, 2016. You know what today is? It's election day! So I'm heading off to vote. To exercise my right as an American. The right to vote. It's time to make America outstanding again. So this is my local voting place here, polling place. And I'm headed into there now. Cold morning, according to me. Okay, thank you. All right, here we go. Going into the polling place. Okay, we are now in line to vote.
Question number one.
I have a few questions about voting. I mean, vote for president, and I don't know about the other stuff. I'm voting now. I got my voting form up front. I in. And now I will vote. Okay, we're done voting, and now got my voter card there. Because that's what I did. I just voted. Now I will go out. Okay, I just voted. Voted for the person that I believe will put this country in the right direction. So, I'm gonna take a selfie of myself here. All right, back to the car and on to the office. Because I just voted. As a resident of Virginia, I voted. Do you want to know who I voted for? Well, I'll have you know that I voted for okay, we're get back to the car and okay. finished exercising my rat. As an American man, if you haven't voted yet, get out there and vote. Now! You know what I noticed? I noticed that I'm wearing my Donald J. Trump tie. See, look. See that? That's my Donald Trump tie. On election day, no less. So, you think that's a sign? Can you see it? Donald J. Trump signature collection, boy. So what do you think? Is that a sign? We'll see. We'll find out tonight who the next president will be.